Kite Festival, one of the most celebrated festival in Gujarat, state of India, where we belong. It's a festival of kites and full of fun on the terrace. It's a festival that welcomes the sun by flying kites. Yeah, that's us. But wait, that's a pics from the 2018. We are in China right now. Who will celebrate Kite Festival in China in this freezing cold minus 20 degree? You guessed it right, crazy 2.5 travelers.
Purana laddu. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god. I can't believe. What's up guys? Kashu here. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. आज है उत्तरायण, मकर संक्रांति, इन इंग्लिश इट्स काइट फेस्टिवल। जितने भी हमारे इंडियन फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको पता ही होगा कि उत्तरायण कितना बड़ा फेस्टिवल है, स्पेशली इन गुजरात। पिछले 6-7 सालों से हम उत्तरायण अहमदाबाद में ही मनाते थे एंड आपको तो पता है कि अहमदाबाद की उत्तरायण कितनी बेस्ट होती है। बट अभी हम हैं यहाँ, सो जैसे कि मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ, वी विल सेलिब्रेट फेस्टिवल whatever we have and wherever we are. So हम भी थोड़ा बहुत सेलिब्रेशन करने वाले हैं। हमने काइट्स ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर की है बट इंडिया जैसी नहीं है तो पहले उसे असेंबल करना पड़ेगा। सो आज का प्लान ये है कि पहले हम काइट्स उड़ाएंगे और उसके बाद मैं एक स्पेशल फूड बनाने वाली हूँ जो किस्म का फेवरेट है। सो वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखेगा। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। मेरे फूड को लेके कोई भी टिप्स हो ऑफ कोर्स जरूर होगी तो कमेंट करके जरूर बताना।
Hi. What are you doing, bacha? Centos, knee centos. अरे वाह वाह वाह. So. Actually, this kite we have to make by ourselves. He is enjoying anyway. We don't know how to make this kite. Oh my God, so big, huh? Wow. But it's quite big. I don't know how we can fly this. What do you think?
It's easily fly. It's very light.
Very light.
Yes.
And what about this? Chinese dori.
इंडिया जैसी नहीं है।
It's a very thick one. Plastic. It's like a plastic, right?
No.
Look. He's going to make it.
सिंपल डोरी है, इससे आपका हाथ भी नहीं कटेगा।
I think so.
आप बनाओ बेटा, काइट्स बनाओ।
He wanted this one. So ये दो स्टिक्स आई है इसके साथ, एक यहाँ पे लगाएंगे और एक यहाँ पे, like a T. We can make a T and like we have to make. They have given this holes also, right?
You can try it, please.
This one goes from here to there. Actually, we don't know it will fly or not. It goes under this, but we can try this way. So where we gonna tie the thread?
So now it's ready.
I think so.
So what did you say?
I was talking where we gonna tie the thread.
Here.
Oh, it's here.
इसके साथ है ये।
Oh, it's okay.
I don't know how. Wait.
Wait. It's kind of a U-pin. Okay, it's done. It's really done, okay? Now how we gonna... Yeah,
लॉक करता है।
कुछ ज़्यादा ही हाई-फाई है. So you just have to push this. This one you can push and keep out. So now we can just...
Yeah. फिर से आप लॉक भी कर सकते हो। गाइस हमने ऐसे हाई फाई पतंग कभी नहीं उड़ाई। first time है हमारा and wait I don't know कैसे होगा
हाँ wait.
so now our kite is ready
It's very cold today.
very cold and very windy ढील दे दे
So it was very windy today, so we came back. So guys, this is actually a Chinese snakes. ये है actually similar to जो हम तिल के लड्डू खाते हैं. It's actually a cookies.
तिल का टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा आता है so
Right.
yeah it's like a chicky
As we said, we have to recreate the kite festival similar to the Ahmedabad or similar to the Gujarat. Obviously, we cannot do that, but that is why we had the kite. We had the similar snakes. Mamra laddu. It's similar to that. It's really a mamra. You can try this. ये सब सुपरमार्केट में मिलता है. So when we see first time, we were really surprised that it's really similar Indian snakes that we get here.
it's very similar taste
Yeah.
और हमने शुगर केन भी ऑर्डर की थी बट टाइम पर आई नहीं यहाँ
Yeah.
मिल जाती है शुगर केन
So now Kashu is going to make some very special food, very special dish. It's my favorite.
इट्स सीक्रेट लेट्स सी मैं क्या बनाती हूँ
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile. I was wrong.
So guys, she is making my favorite undiyu. Right, Kashu?
यस फर्स्ट टाइम मैं बना रही हूँ इससे पहले मैंने कभी नहीं बनाया तो मैंने बहुत सारी रेसिपी सर्च की थी यूट्यूब में बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से मैं बना रही हूँ ऊंधियू ऊंधियू इज वेरी फेमस इन गुजरात एंड वी आर फ्रॉम द गुजरात एंड किशन को ये बहुत ही पसंद है
Yeah, I really like undiyu. It's a kind of the food of this festival, you can say.
हमारे घर में मेरे पापा बनाते थे ऊंधियू उसके हाथ का ऊंधियू खाने का मजा ही कुछ और है लेकिन क्या करें अब
Actually, my mother also make very good undiyu.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing 'cause in the story of our lives,
Wow, guys. Smell is really good. Oh my god, guys. Finally, after so long, the undiu. Undiu in China, it's like unimaginable. Can I start? I
Yes.
am waiting so long. Kashu has made this, so obviously I have to give her the first bite. Here it is. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god. I can't believe.
Wow, it's really good. We didn't expected this because she is preparing this first time, and it's really good, really tasty.
और हमारे पास सब्जियां बहुत ही कम थी.
Yeah, it's a completely vegetarian. There are so many vegetable goes in this recipe. You can add any vegetable in this. People also add fruit in this, like a guava or banana. And for all the Chinese friends and international friends, you might know this. This is a roti. It's an Indian bread, and that's a normal salad. We Indians like to eat the raw onion. It's really tasty. I can't believe Kashu has did this because she's actually, I think she's good chef, you know.
बिकॉज यहाँ इंडियन फूड बहुत ही लिमिटेड मिलता है. सो यहाँ आके मैंने बहुत सारी इंडियन रेसिपी यूट्यूब से सीखी है.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is really it's my favorite dish, and Kashu did this. Love you so much.
Love you too.